We're gonna go from so right now we're gonna go for problem number 13 over 20, so 7 left. So pretty much the same concept but different equation, of course. So it's gonna be equal to c squared this time plus 3 over 7 c plus n. So we're gonna find the last term. To get the last term, so we already know what it is. So we're either divide it by 2 and multiply it by 1/2. So I'm gonna multiply it by 1/2 because it's much more easier for me because I'm dealing with fraction. So it's gonna be 3 over 7 multiplying by 1/2 is gonna equal to 2 over 14, and that's it. So the 2 over 14 is not the answer yet because we need to factorize it. Not to factorize it, square it. So it's going to be equal to 9 over 14 by 14, which is equal to 196. So the last term value is 9 over 196. Isn't it correct? Yep, super. So right now they also ask us to factorize it. So we'll have I'm gonna write the new equation for us, which is my pen just dropped, which is c squared. So the new equation will be equal to sorry about that, c squared plus 3 over 7c plus 9 196. Nice, yeah, 196. So we're gonna get the square root of the first term to factorize it, sign of the middle, and the square root of the last term, which is square root of a squared and square root of b. So we already know square root of 9 is equal to 3, and the square root of 196. So what is it about? Let's check real quick. Square root of 196 is 14. So our final answer will be c plus 3 over 14 squared, has the factorized from the equation that we find, which is c squared plus 3 over 7c plus 9 over 196. I know it was fraction, and the only thing that I can tell you is when it comes to find the last term when you're dealing with fraction, so the best choice is to multiply it by 1/2 because you won't have to actually divide it by 2 and get the inverse and multiply it, even if it's pretty much like the same thing, but you will just have you will just save one step, because there is that one extra step you would have done by divided by 2. So you just multiply it by 1/2. You already see straightforward. What you need to do is just multiplication of fraction. You multiply the denominator, you multiply the numerator, and then you have it instead of actually trying to divide it by 2. I do know it's not parallel, but for some people might forget how it works, like how it should be working, and they just ended up doing something completely different, and they just lose the point. So don't try to do that. So just go for the safest way so that you can then verify your answers later on. So that's pretty much all about it. So let's go on number 14.